I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Now here search and select Sendy. To get API key, go to Sendy dashboard. Click your account in the top right side corner, then click Setting. Now navigate to your API key section. Copy the API key. Paste it here. Now copy the domain name that is Sendy URL. Paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now select the brand and list. Now map the field. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Sendy. Click Next. Now save the integration. Now go to your form and fill it up. Submit it. The form has been submitted successfully. Now navigate Sendy brand page and click View All List. Select the list. Here is the data that came into Sendy through the integration. Thanks for watching.